Hello everyone. Great news for Bitcoin this week. We are seeing yet another breakout as new rules could open the way for US retirement plans to include crypto. Let me walk you through the charts, the key levels to watch, and why this momentum could carry us even higher. Bitcoin is up over 2.5% this week. We've seen it briefly reaching above $120,000. Now, technically, Bitcoin broke out in July from the consolidation zone. You can see there, it took place since May. That breakout took us to a fresh all-time high before pulling back, forming a clear corrective channel. The correction stopped, and in a very interesting place, near the upper boundary of the previous consolidation area. And prices have since climbed again. We can see the channel supported by improved risk appetite, Trump's announcement, obviously. So, where do we go from here? We can see the short term correction trend from August pullback has been broken to the upside. That keeps bullish momentum in play. However, in classic break retest fashion, prices are now testing local support. And if this pressure continues, we have $115,000, which could be the main retest level for the breakout. Key resistance remains at $123,000, followed by $128,000. Remember, ETF inflows are at their strongest since mid-July, and market bets on September Fed rate cut are rising. With regulations easing and monetary policy turning more accommodative, the backdrop still favors continued upside and a possible retest of July's highs in the sessions ahead.